How to download Google Pay Business application on Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in this video we will learn how we can download Google Pay Business application on Android. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, you can either open up Google Play Store and then download the application from there, or you can directly visit their official application page. So if you want to download from the Google Play Store, you have to open up the Google Play Store application in your device. Make sure that you're logged in, tap in the search icon at the bottom right, and in the search bar, search for Google Pay for Business, and if the application is available or if it's available in your region, simply tap on install and then it will be installed in your device. If not, you can open up a browser. Then you have to search for Google Pay for Business, and in the search results you will have the official application page, or you will see the application right here, so you can install it from here as well. But in case if you encounter any of the issue while accessing the Play Store or downloading the application from their official application page, then you can also download the APK files from one of the trusted source, that is Uptodown. So using that trusted source, you can download the APK file and then install it in your device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.